Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. Now you can pick these up from OnePlus.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Now you got a stainless steel design. You get two balanced armature drivers and one 10mm dynamic driver in each side of the earbuds. You got Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX HD. You got your magnetic controls, simple pairing, crystal clear phone calls. You got access to your Google Assistant, and the best feature about these headphones, the battery. 14 hours worth of battery on a single charge, and they also feature warp charge. Now listen to this. 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours worth of playtime. I repeat, charge these up for 10 minutes and you get 10 hours of playtime. That's incredible. Alright, so let's unbox these and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. Alright, here we go. OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2, $100. Typical OnePlus presentation. Let's grab a little unboxing knife. Got the Incredible Hulk today. Here we go. Okay, nice clean white box. Insert your own giggity. Here we go. Okay, so inside the box, never settle. Classic OnePlus red and white theme. Free your music. Okay, here we go. Now, got a little pull tab right here. Let me not beast this open. Let's be gentle. Okay, that was nice. Let's see what you get inside. Now, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Got a bunch of different ear tips. Okay. Now, you got the same carrying pouch from last year. And these are going to be your earbuds. Okay, first things first. And a charger. Here's the carrying pouch. Now I love this one. You can open it with one hand easily. It's a soft silicone material. Let me do the smell test on this. Woo! Smells brand new. Smells like red. Got a little magnet in here. That's going to keep them closed. Now, just in case you're wondering, here's last year's version. The case looks a little bit bigger. Okay, now this is going to be your charging cable. Let's see what it looks like. Same red and white theme. USB Type-C. Just a little on the small side. Okay, and these will be your earbuds. All right, shoes, scoot a little bit. People want to see. Okay, let's get this tag out of here. All right, I'll do that in a minute. Here's the tips of your earbuds. All right, shoes, fall back, please. Now, if you notice, here's one of the biggest differences from last year's version. You don't have those ear hooks anymore. All right, shoes. Let me pull out last year's version so y'all can see. This is last year's version. You see you got the wings. Now, personally, I'm not a fan of the wings. But if you go running with these, you're going to want those wings. Because even with the wings, these tend to fall out. All right, shoes, play with those. Now, here's the new ones. Let's see, on one side, got a little OnePlus branding. This is going to be your power button and your multifunctional button. I'm sorry, this is your power button. This is your multifunctional button. And volume up and down. Again, no ear tips. These are more ergonomically designed. And you got your magnetic clasp. All right, what does shoes want over here? Now, just like the other ones, you could twist these up, fold them up, ball them up, and they pop right back into shape. Okay, these go right around your neck. Matter of fact, let me get a little knife and peel off this plastic. All right, so here's how they're gonna look. Now, I like the little magnets on there. Let's see if we can get them to lock, just like that. So when you throw these around your neck, once they get close together, they'll magnetize to each other. Just like that. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll grab a phone and we'll pair these up. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, shoes. You want to play, shoes? All right, you want to play? Come here. Let's play. You want to play? Let's play. All right. This is what you want. You want to play? Let's play. Okay, let's get you nice and tired so you can fall back. All right, so I had to play with shoes and then file it to the side. So now we can try this again. Here's the Bullets Wireless 2. Now on one side, here's a USB Type-C charging slot. This is going to be your multifunctional button. You got play and pause, answer and end phone calls, volume up and down. And these are the earbuds. Now in order to pair these, all you have to do is separate them. That'll automatically turn them on. And if you notice, if you got a OnePlus 7, 6, or 6T, and I think even with the 5, you'll get this little pop-up notification. Tap the pair, and it should pair right up. There it is. Now that's the simple pairing. Now on a side note, you can pair these up with any Android phone, no problem. But if you got a OnePlus, it's going to pair up even faster. All right, so let me slap these on and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when you're wearing them. You're going to have that piece around your neck, and they're going to be in your ear like this. Now, as far as the fit, lightweight and comfortable, no problems with that. Now, let's do the head shake test. Okay, now the left side just popped out. Now, here's the thing. Let me show you this real quick. The left side has your controls on it. So this side is a little bit heavier. So if you're going to be jogging or doing heavy activities where you're shaking your head a lot, these might pop out. And it's the same thing with the wings. That ain't really going to help. These ain't the best earbuds for working out. Now, if you're riding the train, riding your bike, sitting at your desk at work, then these are fine. All right, so let me slap them back in and we'll do a little sound test. All right, so I got some Mobb Deep queued up, Survival of the Fittest, max volume, one tap for play and pause. Here we go. And on the side note, I promise y'all I'm not going to rap this time. Okay. Now, these definitely have noise isolation. I hear myself talking a little bit loud. Woo! Okay. That bass is creeping up. Woo! Okay, I'm starting to feel it. Hold up. Let's go. All right, whatever. There's a war going on outside. No man is safe from. You can run, but you can't hide forever from these streets that we done took. You're walking with your head down, scared to look. You shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. They never around when the beef cooks in my part of town. It's similar to Vietnam. Woo! Alright, hold up. Let me take this out. Alright, one tap, play, and pause. One tap, play, and pause. Now look, honestly, that's the difference between truly wireless earbuds and earbuds like this. A lot of times, these ones sound better. And I gotta keep it real with you. For $100, these sound great. They actually sound great. Now I'm gonna do a little quick test with the old ones, the new ones, and the Beats X. I'll let y'all know which ones sound the best. Stand by. All right, so I just tested out all three back to back using the same phone, the same song, and I gotta be honest with y'all, these sound the best. Now they definitely sound better than last year's version, and as far as the Beats X, they pretty much sound identical. The Beats might have a little bit more bass, but it's kind of a muddy bass. This has more of a balanced, clean bass. So if I had to pick one out of three, I'm going with the new Bullets Wireless 2. All right, so now let's check the music controls. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. Now, once you put the magnets together, it's automatically going to pause the music and disconnect the headphones. Open them up. Keep your eye on the phone. Okay, they just connected. So let's hit the music. 100% battery remaining. You hear the music is playing? Now we'll connect them. It automatically pauses the music and disconnects from Bluetooth. So open them up again. Just connect it. Let's hit that music. And there it is. All right, so now let's check the button controls. One tap for play and pause or to answer and end phone calls. Okay, the music is playing. Tap it again. Now we paused. Let's check volume up and down. Okay, that works with no problems. Double tap to take you to the next song. Okay, triple tap to reverse. No problems. And long press for Google Now. Just like that. All right, so now let's check the call quality. Now this time I'm actually going to call one of my friends. I'm calling my homegirl Tay. Let me block her number out. Okay, it's ringing out of both ears. I like that. Pretty loud. Let's see if she's going to pick up the phone with this strange number. Yerp. What up, bitch? Who the fuck you think it is? Nah, real quick. I know, real quick. I'm testing out these new headphones. How does my voice sound? Oh, okay, yeah, I'm talking loud because I got both earbuds in. But it's crystal clear, though. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to hit you back. Bye. Okay. So the call quality on this, pretty good. All right, nice and loud. I heard out of both ears. She heard me fine. She said it was nice and clear. She said it sounded like I'm real loud. Let me take these earbuds out. Now, one thing I will say, when you put these earbuds in, you will be talking loud because it does have a little noise isolation. I just noticed I was talking extra loud. All right, so let's do a little bit more testing. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching the video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, I'm going to do my usual test, so I got to throw out my usual disclaimer. I'm going to put one earbud right next to my mic. Now, keep this in mind. Sound takes time to travel. So when you're watching this at home, it might seem like there's more lag than it actually is, but I'm wearing the left earbud, so I'm going to tell y'all the truth. All right, here we go. Let's hit play. Put it right next to the mic. Okay, basically no lag.
What do you do? You okay? Yeah, what do you do? Fucking lamping. What you doing? Lamping?
Oh, this is excellent.
Relaxing. Why'd you change from chilling? What was wrong with chilling? You gotta get another one? Lamping? Lamping? I can sit around here, fucking boxers on the tank.
There's literally no lag.
Chilling? Is what? You gotta be in real clothes?
Oh, I like this. All right, let me take these out for a second. Now look, like I said, when you're watching this video, it might seem like there's some lag, but I got this in my ear. There's no lag on these. And this is a YouTube video. That's excellent. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 a major go. For $100, the price is right. The fit is nice and comfortable. The pairing is quick and easy. The call quality is excellent. There's literally no lag when watching your videos. The sound is great. Nice mids, highs. You got punchy bass. Nice and balanced. But the best thing about these, the battery. The battery life is ridiculous. 14 hours on one single charge, and you got that warp charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours of battery life. You never got to bring these in the house. If these are going to be your gym headphones, charge them up in your car. You never got to bring them inside. Now, the one thing that I could gripe about, if you're planning on running with these, they will fall out of your ears. That's my biggest gripe, but I ain't running nowhere except to the ice cream truck, so I ain't worried about that. Like I said, overall, these are a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. All right, I had to beam back down. I almost forgot one important thing. White shoes. White shoes, let's get up out of here.
Scotty here, Captain.
Scotty, to the beam up. Me and White shoes.
I'll do what I can, sir.
All right, Zerks, let's roll. Energize.